आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is the graph of the equation y equal to x cube plus 5x plus 1, and the options are does not intersect the x-axis, intersects the x-axis at one and only 1 point. The third option is intersect the x-axis at exactly 3 points, and the fourth option is intersects the x-axis at more than 3 points. Okay. So guys, basically the options are asking us that at how many points the graph intersects the x-axis. So guys, if the graph intersects the x-axis, it means that is y equal to 0. So basically we need to solve that for how many points or how many values of x this equation is true. Okay, x cube plus 5x plus 1 is true. Now guys, you need to see that for before finding any roots or getting into calculating the roots value, you can easily just check the values and see how many roots how many x values this equation is true. Okay, you put x equal to minus 1, let's say. If you put x equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to how much? Minus 1 cube plus 5 into minus 1 plus 1. So it will be minus 1 minus 5 plus 1. So it will come out to be minus 5. So the value of y is minus 5. Now if you put as x equal to 0, then what it will be? Then y equal to 0 cube plus 5 into 0 plus 1, and it comes out to be plus 1. Now see the sign, you see the sign of the y value changes from negative to positive, from minus 5 to plus 1. Now instead of drawing the curve on any part, you can just see that if this is, suppose x minus 1, this is 0, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is minus 1, this is 0, and this is 1, this is 2, and these are again the negative values. Then from minus 1 to 0, the sign of y changes. Means from the negative sign or from negative y, at x minus 1 it's minus 5. Let us say this is minus 5. Then from this point it comes out to be here. And since the curve is continuous, at no point or at no value of x can make this curve discontinuous. So this is a continuous curve. So it will somewhat move like this. Okay. So this will, at some point between minus 1 and 0, it will cut the x-axis because it is changing its sign. Because so at some point it will become 0, and it will first decrease then its negative value, then become 0, and then again increase its positive value to 1 here. When at x equal to 0, its value is 1. Okay. So it must intersect the x-axis at one point. Now let us see if it intersects or more than 1 point. Now if you increase the value of x, let us say I'm putting x equal to 5 or 4, then you see in this equation, as I increase the positive value of x, this equation will be more and more positive, or more and more greater value will be there. There is no operation or no number is responsible for decreasing the value. You see, if I put x equal to 4, it will be 4 cube plus 5 into 4 plus 1. Again, if I put 5, it will be 5 cube plus 5 into 5 plus 1. So the value of y is constantly increasing. Okay, so it can never be 0 when after x equal to 0. After x equal to 0, the y will never be 0. It will be constantly increasing. So it's somewhat like constantly increasing. I don't know the way of increase, but that is not at all our concern here. So it is increasing. It will not intersect the x-axis, because for intersecting the x-axis it must go down. So but it's constantly increasing. So for x greater than 0, this will never cut the x-axis. So for positive x, it will not cut. Now let us check for negative value. So if I put y less than minus 1 or less than minus 1, then if I put x as x equal to minus 2, then you see in this curve it will be more and more negative. You see, minus 2 cube plus 5 into minus 2 plus 1. So it will come out to be minus 8 minus 10 plus 1. It's minus 17. Okay. Again, if I put x equal to minus 3, then it will be minus 3 cube plus 5 into minus 3 plus 1. Again, it will be minus 27 minus 15 plus 1. So again it's less than 0, and the value is constantly decreasing also. You see -27, -15, so it's very huge decrease. It will be, let me just calculate it for you. So it will be -41. You see the values are constantly decreasing. So again, this curve will constantly decrease from here. The way is not at all important. So it will be constantly decreasing. So only and only at one point, the curve will cut the x-axis. So option 2 will be our correct answer. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Thank you very much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।